While everyone else is watching Bitcoin and Ethereum bounce around with no clear direction, smart money is quietly moving into a new presale. If you are tired of sideways price action, you need to see what this fully functional super app is doing right now. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, so this is the landing page of BlockchainFX. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, BlockchainFX's pre-sale, guys, has officially surpassed $14.1 million, and it is signaling strong momentum as capital is increasingly shifting towards emerging high upside opportunities. Now, as you can see, guys, next generation trading experience is all there. You have a lot of information, basically like the summary of who they are. You got to go ahead and check that out. 25 years of experience, 500 plus assets, also tried spreads, and a lot more that will definitely be beneficial for you. Now, it is backed by growing investor participation, and the project is quickly approaching its fixed $15 million hard cap. Once this threshold is reached, now the pre-sale will conclude and the platform is expected to transition into public trading, marking a significant milestone in its development. Now, you have how to start stuff in here. You can register an account, practice with the demo. That's the good thing about BlockchainFX, guys. They have also a demo account that you could use, especially for the ones that are still new. I suggest try it out with the demo account first before you slowly transition to the real one. One of the key factors, guys, that is attracting attention is that BlockchainFX is not positioned as a concept alone, but as a live and tested product. Now, the platform bridges decentralized finance with traditional markets, and it enables the users to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, commodities, indices, those stuff, just like what you see on screen. You could trade over 500 different assets, and that is why, I basically call this BlockchainFX as like a one-stop shop for all your trading needs. Now, this seamless connectivity removes the need for multiple applications that offers more efficiency and streamlined trading experience for users across different asset classes. So the pre-sale phase is also highlighting the potential advantages of early positioning. Now, historically, okay, some of the most notable growth in the cryptocurrency space have occurred during the early stage access. So prior to the broader market exposure, and at this stage, participants are able to secure BFX tokens at a fixed pre-sale price, which placed them ahead of a wider retail discovery that may occur once the token becomes available on larger exchanges. So as the pre-sale nears its conclusion, additional incentives have actually been in to support its final phase, okay, toward reaching its final funding target. So let me go ahead and show you this one right here. So this is how it looks like, guys, once you are logged in to BlockchainFX. All right, you have the total portfolio on the left side, which will show at the bottom of the website. And of course, you have the recently traded stuff or the recently opened ones. Okay, it will show up there. You have Bitcoin, your GBP. So these are the ones that I clicked that I wanted to see. Okay. Now, you also have the trading history, okay? Chat and supports if you need help, okay? Don't hesitate to call support. They will be able to address your questions right away. And of course, market analysis, this is very, very helpful for you. Okay, you have the earnings calendar, you have the economic calendar as well. And of course, for the newbies right there, this one will definitely be very, very helpful with your trading journey. You have the video tutorials that you could access. You even have technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and of course, you have the basics. Start with the basics and climb to the top. Use the demo account and all that for you to learn and transition to a better trader. So, click the link in the description below, guys, and get positioned in this super app before that $15 million hard cap is hit. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.